Hola! We are now on our way to the beach where we're going to be for the next few months. We just grabbed a bunch of groceries, got all our food. Car's pretty stacked. Board racks up on top. It's a gorgeous day here. I absolutely love this place. It's phenomenal. We're going to enjoy the drive. We got about an hour and 10 minutes till we get out to where we're going. And then, yeah, I'm jumping in the ocean first thing. Go for a surf, go for a dive. I'm super excited and stoked to be down here. This is a bucket list trip for me. I wanted to come here for years because of my boy Tony, and super stoked to be here and psyched to get out on the waves. The swell's been amazing, so we'll catch up with you in a bit. Enjoy the scenery. You. This is it here? Yeah. You turn down this road? Your road there. That's the main highway that we take the right this is just the good part. Oh, the back wheels on that side are up here. You can see where you can angle down. Oh, I see it. Yeah, then you can cut across that way. Yep. You'll see him swimming. Gotcha. This is the main road all the way You can throw it back. Wow, that game's gorgeous. Haha, hi Trouble. You handsome devil, you. Oh. Sullivan? Sir. Oh, mucho gusto. Oh.
Hola. Hola, buenas, soy Mía. Evelyn.
¿Ya bien?
Ajá.
Evelyn?
Say hi.
Yeah.
Good, man. Good to see you. It's been a long time. Where's Mama? Hi, Mama. It's been a while.
It has. I'm going to stay up at the top
Yeah.
step just so I can hug you.
Oh, God. Good to see you.
What is the choice?
First time ever here.
Well, that's amazing. That's
I
an
spent a
amazing.
bunch of money sight unseen.
I know. It's a dump. He's been here before. I said no.
No. Nope.
Money well invested, sir.
I hope so.
Oh my
Push.
Okay. you should paint your house.
Oh, I'm gonna. I like the peach and the blue. I love
No,
it.
paint just like some of it. Like this is fine.
It just needs to be freshened
Just
up.
needs a fresh coat of paint. Oh man. There you
Oh,
go.
it's pumping out front.
Yeah. So there used to be like a little thing here, like
Yeah.
a wood thing here that keeps that I guess came off.
God, I would almost knock that tree out right there so you could see.
Yeah,
I would
cut it
totally
down.
get
You
rid of
could
that.
or just have them cut a section and cut
Yep.
it. Like leave the tree, just keep it growing all.
Dude, here, this is fucking great. Congratulations, dude. Oh man, dude, this is awesome.
So it's a good house. Fix up and maintain.
Yep.
But you know, it's all none of it's really.
Stop every time you see it. I don't know where they're meant to go.
So this is also your property here.
Yep.
This is where you were talking about putting a ranch, a second ranch on.
Yeah,
like right here actually.
Put it back there.
Put it right up.
More
Put it
trees.
right.
Right, yeah.
High tide right now too.